Hey family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Mpho. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you a platform that you can make money online by completing online surveys. One thing I like about this platform is that you choose the type of reward you'd want to get paid out in. So without wasting any more time, if you are new to the channel or happen to be viewing this video for the first time, I share content on how to make money online. And if this is the type of content you are looking for, then you are in the right place. Please do consider joining the family by hitting the subscribe button, leaving a comment below, and giving this video a thumbs up. With that being said, let's just dive into today's video. Today we are going to be looking at this particular platform. You can expect to complete surveys. You only take surveys here, and then you earn points. So with this points, you can convert the points to any type of reward that you would want to get paid out in. For South Africa, these are the type of rewards that are available for South Africa. It's takealot.com gift card, Woolworths gift card, and also PayPal payout. But you need to accumulate a certain number of points for you to cash out in these prizes. The sign up process for this website is quite simple. You simply come here where it says join now on the blue button and click this join now button. The name of the platform that I'm talking about is this particular platform called IPSOS. I'm going to log into my account and just show you some of the things that you can expect to get within this platform and some of the activities that you can expect and also the drawbacks of this platform. I'm directed to the home page where I will be completing my surveys. Currently, there are no surveys available. This is where you get your surveys. They also estimate the number of points you will be getting and the time you will spend on that particular survey. This is where you need to complete your profile. First thing after logging in, you need to complete your profile so that you get surveys that are related to your profile, and it minimizes the amount of disqualification you will be getting on this platform. So you need to complete your profile 100% and thereafter go back to the survey section and complete surveys. These are the type of rewards that you can expect to get on this platform and the points that you will need to earn. As you can see, for PayPal payout, you only need 725 points to cash out $5 in PayPal payout. This website is easy to use, very simple. The only drawback about this website is that the amount of time you spend is a lot and their points are not so well paying. It's been 3 months already on this platform and I'm only at 389 points. So it can clearly show that you spend a whole lot of time on this platform, but you won't accumulate points fast for you to basically claim your rewards much faster. But there is a catch. You can refer your friends to this platform. They do have a referral program. So when you refer each person who has successfully registered with this platform, you will get 100% points, or you will get 100 points for every successful referral. By successful referral, we mean someone who has completed their profile and completed at least one survey. So that is someone who is a successful referral on this platform. You can take this URL and paste it on your social media pages, invite different people to the platform for you to accumulate a whole lot of points so that you can be able to cash out. This is a legit platform. A lot of people have used it. I went on and did my research on Trustpilot just to see what people had to say about this platform. You can also go there and just see people's reviews about this particular platform. You can get the link down in the description box and also look into other similar surveys that you can earn points and cash out in gift cards and PayPal. Enough have been said, guys. Thank you for watching. Until next time, have a good one.